Welcome to Copify, your trusted partner in maximizing the potential of Google advertising campaigns. When it comes to running successful campaigns, there are a few key components: pay per click, PPC, developing versatile, high-performing ads across Google's network to engage new audiences and increase brand visibility. Google Search Ads, strategically positioned at the top of search results to attract high-quality traffic and generate leads. Google Shopping Ads, showcasing product images, descriptions, and prices to enhance the shopping experience and drive more sales. With this strategy, our customer achieves increase in contact form submissions, increase in conversion rate, increase in cost per conversion. We use several approaches to identify the best targeting parameters for your campaign and determine the most effective ad formats. Let's see how it works. Keyword research, identifying cost-effective keywords to maximize ROI. Competitor analysis, evaluating industry trends to craft distinctive and relatable ads. Campaign development, setting up and configuring your Google Ads account for efficient ad production. Ad creation, developing and continuously optimizing text, image, and video ads. In-depth reporting, providing regular, detailed reports to track progress and inform strategy. When you partner with Copify, you tap into our expertise to create Google Ads campaigns that drive fast results. Our data-backed strategies are designed around your business goals, making sure every dollar of your ad budget works smarter for you. Ready to elevate your business with expert Google Ads management? Visit Copify.com to request a free proposal and discover how we can help you achieve success.